Sobat Ilmu, before we continue our subject in this video, I would like to have a pantun in bahasa. Pak Mamat beli ikan, selamat menyaksikan. So, in this first subject of this video, we're going to talk about how could plane fly. So, you guys probably in the daily basis could see planes moving around in the sky. And in this video, we were going to talk about how could an airplane fly. After this, there's going to be a video explaining about how a plane fly and the aerodynamic works. So guys, enjoy watching the video and I hope you guys learn from that video.
Air molecules flowing above and below the wing don't need to meet back up. In reality, the air traveling above reaches the wing's trailing edge much faster than the air beneath. To get a sense of how lift is actually generated, let's simulate an airplane wing in motion. As it moves forward, the wing affects the movement of the air around it. As air meets the wing's solid surface, a thin layer sticks to the wing. This layer pulls the surrounding air with it. The air splits into pathways above and below the wing, following the wing's contour. As the air that's routed above makes its way around the nose of the wing, it experiences centripetal acceleration, the force you also feel in a sharply turning car. The air above therefore gathers more speed than the air traveling below. This increased speed is coupled with a decrease in pressure above the wing, which pulls even more air across the wing's upper surface. The air flowing across the lower surface, meanwhile, experiences less of a change in direction and speed. The pressure across the wing's lower surface is thus higher than that above the upper surface. This pressure difference results in the upwards force of lift. The faster the plane travels, the greater the pressure difference, and the greater that force. Once it overcomes the downward force of gravity, the plane takes off.
So guys, welcome back with me, Rafa, in this second segment of the video talking about how could a rain fall. So you guys basically see in everyday life basis in Indonesia that there's a lot of rain, and in this next video it's going to talk about how does a rain fall from the sky. So enjoy watching the video and I hope you guys learn from it, and yeah, enjoy watching.
When the sun shines on water on the Earth's surface, the heat of the sun warms the water, turning it into an invisible gas called water vapor. This process, the changing of water into a gas, is called evaporation. Because gases are lighter than liquids, water vapor rises up into the sky. And the further you move up and away from the Earth's surface, the colder the temperature gets. So in the sky, the water vapor cools and changes back into tiny water droplets. This change is called condensation and is the opposite of evaporation. Clouds are made up of tiny water droplets, so when condensation occurs in the sky, clouds form and grow. Let's take a closer look. When water droplets bump into one another, they stick together and grow in size. They continue to grow until they are too heavy and fall as rain. They even grow as they bump into one another on their journey from the cloud to the ground. And every single raindrop that reaches the ground is made up of 1 million of the original tiny water droplets. Raindrops fall on the ground surface where the sun can shine on them, and the whole process happens again. This is called the water cycle and keeps water moving from the ground to the sky, providing the water needed for plants, animals and people to survive.
Well, after you guys watched the last video, we're going to talk about in this third segment this time around, we're going to talk about how does a rainbow appears in the sky. So after the rain, you guys always probably going to see a rainbow coming from the sky, and in this next video it's going to talk about how does a rainbow appear after raining. So yeah, hope you enjoyed watching the video of this last segment and I hope you guys learn from it and enjoy watching.
A ray of light is made up of the same 7 colors seen in a rainbow. This is seen when a ray of light is shone at an angle through a prism, a triangular shaped piece of glass. Light slows down as it goes from air to glass and causes the ray of light to bend. This is called refraction. Each colour in a ray is bent at a different angle, allowing 7 colours to be seen. The red light gets bent the least, while the violet light bends the most. Sunlight, therefore, is key to the science of rainbows. Light travels more slowly through water than air, so that raindrops act as prisms, bending, separating, and reflecting the light that shines through them. We can see a rainbow because the separated light is reflected toward our eyes.
So guys, after watching those 3 videos, I hope you guys learned from it, and don't forget to learn a lot of stuff, and also don't forget to always ask question for anything. And that's it from me, and my name is Rafa, and this is from Kahaf TV, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.